everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, there was a crafter out there who wanted to make this, but she didn't have any chipboard. What she did next is genius. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by today, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for the wonderful way in which you're supporting me and my channel. Today, I'm not going to take up much of your time, but I did want to share this because we get notifications from YouTube when our names or our channel names are mentioned in another YouTuber's video. Well, I got a notification that someone had mentioned me in their video, and I'm wondering who's talking about me. So I decided to go out and see how I was mentioned, and the video was about this project. And her name is Shannon, and her channel's name is The Spoony Stitcher. And her channel is primarily about crocheting, but she saw me make this project, and she thought it would be useful to her in her crafty space and in her office space. So she really wanted to recreate it. She had most of the components here, but she did not have chipboard. So Shannon got creative and found an alternative to the chipboard. And I think the alternative that she found was brilliant. And she made two variations, and both of them I absolutely fell in love with. She followed the concept, but she knew how she needed it to be for her space, and that's exactly what she did. So Shannon is sharing two project share of two versions of how she needed this to work for her. Now, if you haven't seen this, I'll have it linked in the description box below, and you can go out and check it out. I'll also have Shannon's video linked in the description box below, and you can also click on her channel name. I'll have it tagged in the title of this particular video. But I am not going to show you what Shannon did because you need to see it from Shannon herself. I want her to get the views for this, and if you happen to like what she's doing over there, why not subscribe? She's new to YouTube. She started her channel in January of this year, so I'm sure she would love to have you come over and check out this project as well as some other videos, and I'll bet she would love to have you subscribe. So I hope I piqued your interest, because if you're looking for how other people compensate for not having chipboard, Shannon's video is one that you definitely want to see. Like I said, I wasn't going to hold you long, but as always, you guys, please be safe, be kind, be the reason that Shannon smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later.